Hi friends, I'm back with one more video. So today I'll show you like how I made almost like 10% with just one overnight butterfly. Alright, let me show you. Okay, so this is my trade, guys. This is my trade. So almost I made like 6,430 on a capital of 71,000, which I'll show you, which is almost like close to 9 to 10% with just one overnight. Okay, so what was the thought process behind deploying this trade? Okay, let me show you. Right, let me show you. I've deployed a butterfly, right? A call butterfly, guys. A call butterfly in USD INR. Okay, so this is a typical butterfly, right? So maybe the market was standing somewhere here. Okay, maybe the market was standing somewhere here. So I might have deployed this butterfly. This is a call directional butterfly. So my view was bullish, guys. My view was bullish. That's the reason the market was standing here. So my profit starts from here, right, till this green zone. So I have deployed intentionally a call butterfly. Okay, let me show you why I've deployed the butterfly. All right, one second. Let me close this. Let me take, yeah. So when I entered into butterfly, maybe yesterday, okay, so yesterday I've deployed this trade. So the chart was looking something like this, the USD INR. Okay, check this. Whenever this took this support, okay, it went up. All right, second time it took support, it went up. Almost third time when it took the support, it went up, and maybe that price was standing somewhere here. So I had the conviction saying that maybe this might go up. There is no concrete in market saying that this will go up. I thought maybe this might go up because this went in the past also, right? Whenever it took the support 1, right, support 2 and support 3, I would say this acted as a multi-level resistance. So this will act as a very strong support, guys. So this is a price action what I do. And even if you look at the top side, the resistance, this is not required, but let me tell you, there is like multi-level resistance. Check the candles, how many types, right? 1, 2, 3 rejections, right? Multi-level, guys, multi-level. Check how many candles took the resistance. So this will act as a strong resistance going forward. Check this, third time it acted as a strong resistance, fourth time. So now what I thought is like, maybe if I enter here, maybe the stock USD INR would take the resistance here. Okay, that was my thought process, but I'm not expecting this much of big move. So now I'll show you guys what happened. Okay, now I'll show you what happened. So this is what happened the moment I've entered yesterday. So today it gave almost like 0.34%, guys. With just 0.34% upside move, I was able to capture almost 10%. Okay, let me show you my real trade now. Alright, guys, so this is the real trade, right? 6,430 on a capital of, okay, let me show you. The capital required was almost like 71,000. So today morning, if you check at 9:44, this was giving me a profit of 1,800. But almost at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, I'm not sure like when exactly. Okay, let me show you even that thing. So this is my paid mentorship program, guys, so wherein we will discuss about all this trade. So just in case if someone is interested, you will be finding the my course link in the below description in the YouTube. You can just check out my course. Okay, so let me show you this all things we discussed. Let me show you somewhere I have booked the profit basically. Yeah, if you look at this thing, almost at 12:19, guys, 12:19, booked the profit of 6,440. And guys, one more thing is like, I mean, just in case if you have the Twitter account, so please follow me on Twitter, so wherein I'll be like giving you the timely updates. Okay, if you look at this thing, so maybe almost at 12:30, I said, right, I've closed the trade with almost like 10% with just overnight trade, guys. Yesterday I've deployed this trade, and this was the price action. Simple, guys. So I shared the trade, I shared my live trade, and along with that even I shared the price action. See, I cannot show you random, right? So I've entered somewhere here, guys. I've entered somewhere at this candle position. That's it. The next day it gave only like 0.34%, so we got almost like 10%. Now what I have done is like, guys, what I've done is like, now I've already booked 6,400, so my view is bullish. What did I say? Whenever it went up, majority of the time it took the support of the resistance. When it went up, it took this resistance. When it went up, it took this resistance. So maybe fourth time also, right? Maybe fourth time also, it might take the support and it might take the resistance, right? Keeping that in mind, what I've done is like, yes, I've exited this trade with 6,430, which is huge, guys. Within overnight, if I'm getting 10% profit on the capital deployed, why the hell should I hold the trade? Now what I've done is like, I've just taken a new trade, guys. I've just entered a new trade Same thing for 19th May. This is for 19th May. This was for the 12th May. This I have exited for the 19th May because my view is still a sort of bullish. What I did is like I've entered into a ratio split. So my loss is only 4,250, but just in case if the market slowly keeps going up, I'll be like getting with almost 7% profit, which is like 20,000 on a capital of 3 lakhs what I've deployed. Let's see, right? The break even is only 0.3%. The moment for the next, right? Today, what is today? Today is 9th, right? So we are talking about the 19th. So we have another like 10 trading days. So within 10 trading days, if USDNR makes the break even of 0.3%, so my profit would start from this position to this position, guys. My maximum profit will be from this position, from this point to this point, and this is my minimum profit. The moment the USDNR goes up, what I'll be doing is like I'll be making the loss zero simply by shifting the call side. I mean, I'll be just doing the I mean, see, there are like n number of adjustments, guys. I cannot discuss each and everything, but technically, right, when the USDNR goes into this green zone, I'll be making this loss zero. And technically, at times, if it keeps going up, right, I'll make more profit here. So even if it takes a U-turn, I would end up into profit, or else if it expires somewhere here, I'll get with this huge 7% profit, right? I'll try to see. And even the other thing what I can do is like if the market is going up, if the USDNR is going quickly up, right, I'll just exit the second sold position. I'll just exit this position. I'll convert this to debit split. The moment I convert this to debit split, you know, right, what happens? This is how it opens, right? If it is like going with a good momentum, I'll just convert this to debit split. If it is going with a slow momentum, yeah, that's what I need. I'll just hold this, and slowly what I'll do, I'll just move this, roll over this from 80 to 25. I'll just roll over to the next strike, so that this the entire put side will become green. If it goes with a quick momentum, so what I'll do, I'll just exit this leg with a loss, and I'll just convert it to debit split, so I do not have any panic as such on the CE side. Alright, guys, so this is what, guys, I want you to explore basically. So basically, see, I'll tell you one thing, right? I'll tell you one thing, guys. I'll tell you one thing. What made me to go for call butterfly, right? What made me to go for call butterfly, right? That question you should ask yourself. You should have the price action with you, right? See, what did I say? The market was standing somewhere here, right? I said looking at the price action, I was bullish. So I gave a minimal break even. Check this break even. This break even was almost like 0.3 or 0.1% when the market was standing here. I know the market, if market goes up, I'll get into this green zone. If market comes down, I'll get into this 7,700 loss. But I'll be not giving the 7,700 loss. If the market was coming down, then what I'll do is like I'll just exit. I'll just see, basically what I'll do is like I'll just convert this to a strangle. Okay, I'll convert this entire butterfly to a triangle just to mitigate my loss. I'll not think about making the profit because my view went wrong. I thought the market would go out up. If the market comes down, I should not be looking out for profit. I should be looking out in terms of mitigating this loss. I'll be happy if I make this loss to only 2,000 or 1,000, right? If I'm fortunate, if I'm doing the timely adjustments, then I can think about the profit. But my first priority would be to mitigate the loss. Guys, if at all you want to join my paid mentorship program, guys, this is my paid mentorship program. This is the batch 1, right, wherein we will be discussing day in, day out. We will be discussing about the swing, about the options and everything, guys. If at all you are interested, you can just go to this YouTube. In the description, you'll have my URL, so wherein you can just check out about my paid mentorship program, right? Thank you, guys.